Now reposition the door, I'm going to measure up to get an accurate marking where the existing handle was. I'm going to make sure it's square across the side of the door, again using the set square. Find myself the centre of the door edge, and then I'm ready to drill a hole through there to fit the latch. Now it needs to go back about 65mm, so I'm going to make a mark on the end of my spade piece, 65mm, so I don't drill down too far into the door. Now I've drilled that out to the required depth. What I need to do is create the right shape.